Hi, all, good morning. Am I audible?
Good morning, Anji.
Good
Yeah,
morning.
good morning.
So, in today's section, I'm going to create Servicenow instance once again. If anybody missed creation of Servicenow instance, we will discuss. So, after that, we are going to discuss about Servicenow developer instance properties. Servicenow developer instance properties. Okay. So if everything is completed, so we can move on to the how to change a password. Can move on to the how to change a password. So for creation of ServiceNow developer instance, I required one email ID. So please share me. I want only one email ID. Whoever not created ServiceNow instance, please send me mail ID. Whoever still not created ServiceNow instance, please send me your mail ID. So I will create a Servicenow instance in the class again. So we can discuss Servicenow instance options today from the developer account. So please send me mail ID in Zoom chat so that I will create Servicenow instance for you. And still, I haven't received few members' details to my mail ID. So if anybody not shared our details, so please share our details to my mail ID. So that is Servicenow Training 2018@gmail.com. Okay. Yes, anybody sending email ID for creation of Servicenow instance?
I've created already, so
Yeah, okay.
I think everybody has created.
Ajay, G, Naresh, Anand Sai, Kasi. Is everybody created Servicenow instance? Yes, please
Yes,
respond.
Yes,
Or,
I have.
okay.
Yes, done.
Okay,
కొంచెం జాగ్రత్త.
Sangeeta, Sandara,
అట్లుంది
Sai.
ఇక మొత్తం.
Yeah, we created.
Okay, okay. Then, so I will directly go to the developer instance. Okay. If anybody not created Servicenow instance, so please let me know. We will create. For that, I require your your email ID. Yes, Vamsi Krishna, are you
so
created Servicenow
yeah,
instance?
yeah, I have created, and on the very first day, I was saying I can't able to access the Utah version, right?
Yes,
Remember? Yeah,
yes, yes.
yeah. I have created one more service instance ID with another email. Then I can able to access it. So
Okay,
that's what I want to say.
okay, okay. Yes. Sai, Hari, Kasi, Rahul, Ramana, Raman is created Servicenow instance.
Yes.
Do Ajay.
Yes.
Yeah, basically, if
Yes.
we want to move on to the further session, so we require Servicenow instance. So that's why I'm asking.
Yesterday I missed the class, Anji, so I was just wondering if I created the right version. I mean,
Okay, so again, that's what. So if I want to create Servicenow instance, I require mail ID. Yeah, that's fine. From my mail ID, I will show you one more time. Okay.
thanks, Anji.
Yeah, even if everybody create a Servicenow instance, for remembering how to create a Servicenow instance, I'm creating a Servicenow instance one more time. Okay. Yes. So if you want to create a Servicenow instance. If you want to create a Servicenow instance, you can type Servicenow developer. You can type Servicenow developer. Okay, yes, and you can enter. Once you type Servicenow developer in browser, you will get a link like developer.servicenow.com. Yes, developer.servicenow.com. So previously you don't have any Servicenow instance. You have to sign up and start building. You have to click on sign up and start building. Yes, you can click on sign up and start building. So first name. So maybe I'm saying Servicenow. So training. Okay, my mail ID like service now training TRAINING 0@gmail.com. This is my mail ID. Okay. Yes. Country I'm selecting India. Country I'm selecting India. Password I'm giving training@123. Okay. Yes. I'm not a robot. So traffic lights here it is there. I have read the agreement and I'm clicking on sign up. Okay, I'm clicking on sign up. Okay, fine. So we have successfully signed up into the Servicenow instance. Now, once you click on the sign up here, you will get a one email from Servicenow company, like verify email. Okay, now I'm going to open my email. Next, Gmail. So you can see verify your Servicenow ID. Verify your Servicenow ID. Yes, I'm opening it. So the mail you will receive like this. Mail you will receive like this. Okay. And this link is valid for 1 day. Now I'm clicking on verify email. Yes. So you can see it is saying thank you. This email is verified. Please click below to log into the application. Yes. Now I'm clicking into login. Now I'm clicking into login. Okay. Yes. So here I am entering my mobile my mail ID. Service now name 0@gmail.com. Next. Yeah, AININ 123. I'm clicking on sign in. Okay. Wait, it's loading. Sorry. I have entered wrong password. Sign in. Yes, again it's loading. Yes, now I was successfully logged into Servicenow developer account. Whenever you are first time logging into the Servicenow developer account, it will ask for few questions. Do you code? Yes, I need a developer oriented IDE and I'm clicking on next. So you are ready to create something great. What best describes your job responsibilities? Developer, designer, IT admin. Okay. Then after we have to select the agreement. We have to click on the agreement. Next, finish setup. Finish setup. Okay. Yes. Once you finish setup, here it will show request instance or start building. It will show these two buttons. You can click on either of any one button. Now I'm going to click on request instance. Now I'm going to click on request instance. So here, latest three Servicenow instance versions are appearing: Rome, San Diego, Tokyo, and Utah. Okay, this is the latest one, Utah. So in yesterday class, I already created Servicenow instance with latest version, Utah. Okay. In today class, I'm going to create a Servicenow instance with the Tokyo version. After that, I will tell you how to upgrade our Servicenow instance from older version to latest version. Got it this point, everybody? So in today class, I will create a
Yes.
Servicenow instance with the Tokyo version. After some time, I will tell you how to upgrade Servicenow instance from older versions to latest version, Utah. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine. So yes, I'm clicking on Tokyo. And I'm clicking on join waitlist. If we click on join waitlist, so whenever Servicenow instance is available, we will get a Servicenow instance. Here, if you see what each and every version is saying here, no instances available, San Diego, no instances available. Yes, currently personal developer instances are not available. So we have to click on the join waitlist. Once the Servicenow instance is available, we will get a email notification and automatically we will get a Servicenow instance. Okay, yes. Now I'm clicking on join waitlist. Yes, you are on the waitlist. We will email you once instances is available for the Tokyo release, or leave waitlist. I'm saying close. Okay. So you can see waitlisted for an instance. So whenever yesterday we are going to create Servicenow instance, at that time Utah version Servicenow instance is available. Today Servicenow instances are not available. In today, Servicenow instances are not available. Okay. So once Servicenow instance is available, we have to create a Servicenow instance. Next, you can see, guys, yes, today mostly we will not get this Servicenow instance within our class. Okay, it will take some time. Now I'm signing out here. And so yesterday we have created Servicenow instance, right? Yesterday we have created Servicenow instance. Okay, so I will show you the options for that Servicenow instance, developer options for that Servicenow instance. So is this correct one, Manu?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay, I'm signing into this account. Sign in. So I'm signing into developer account, which we created Servicenow instance yesterday. Okay. Yes. So you can see whenever we are logging into the Servicenow instance, what it is saying, waking up instance. Why it is showing like that? So if we are not using Servicenow instance more than 12 hours, if we are not using Servicenow instance more than 12 hours, our Servicenow instances will go to the sleep mode. Okay, our Servicenow instances will go to the sleep mode. We have to wake up Servicenow instance by logging into the developer account. Got it? If we are not using Servicenow instance more than 12 hours, our Servicenow instance will go to the sleeping mode. Okay, even if you open Servicenow instance, it will show your instance is hibernating. I will show you again that one. Okay, yes. So here you can see our Servicenow instance is waking up. It will take some time to get the instance available. Okay, Got it? Yes. And next one, I'm opening incognito window. I'm trying to open my personal developer instance. Oh, this instance is available. Whenever the Servicenow instance went to sleep mode, here the screen will show like instance is hibernating. Instance is hibernating. So, but my Servicenow instance is available. So it is in sleeping mode. Guys, so I hope everybody created Servicenow instance, right? So please try to open your Servicenow instance URL. So without logging into the developer account, then you will see the screen instance is hibernating. That means your instance is into the sleep mode. Okay. And if you are not used your Servicenow instance for 10 days, if you are not used your Servicenow instance for 10 days, your Servicenow instance will be gone. Got it? If you are not open your Servicenow instance for 10 days, your Servicenow instance will gone. And after you have to create a new Servicenow instance again. Got it, everyone? Yes?
Yes.
Okay.
So mine is working fine now.
Yeah. Yes. Now you can see. Now this Servicenow instance is available. That's why it is showing in it is highlighting. Okay. Whenever we click on start building, it will go to the Servicenow instance. Now you can see. Now I clicked on the start building. It went to the Servicenow instance and it is loading. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. It's loading. So yes, finally we have wake up our Servicenow instance. Finally, we wake up our Servicenow instance. Okay. Whenever your Servicenow instance went to sleep mode, you have to wake up the Servicenow instance by logging into the developer portal. Okay. Yes. Now you can see if you click on profile here, here it will show number of options. Here it will show number of options. Okay. First of all, activate plugin. So when I'm clicking on activate plugin, if you want to activate any plugins here, you have to click on activate. And directly from Servicenow instance also, we can activate the plugins. Okay. In further classes, we can able to see how to activate a plugin from the Servicenow instance. Okay. If you want to activate plugin from the developer account, yes, you have to activate from here. For example, you can say activate plugin. You can click it. If you click on activate plugin, the plugin should be activated in the personal developer instance. Okay. So as of now, I'm not activating any plugin here. You have to just click on activate plugin. So you can say plugin activation is in progress. So I'm trying to activating the discovery plugin. Okay, discovery plugin. Yes, it will take some time. So you can say activating the plugin. Wait for 1 or 2 minutes. The plugin will activate. So meanwhile, if you have any queries, please let me know.
Anjikaru, what is the use of plugin?
So basically, plugin is the extra components. Okay, plugin contains the properties, we can say. Okay. Plugins contains the external functionalities which is not provided by Servicenow by default. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yes. Basically, so you will get a default ServiceNow instance even in the real time whenever we take subscription from ServiceNow company. So after that, we have many plugins. Okay. So if you want particular functionality, you have to opt for that particular plugin. Okay. If it is in a real time, if it is in a real time, we have to pay the amount for that for the production environment. For non-production environments, we don't require to pay any amount. Okay. So if you are activating plugin for production environment, you have to take subscription for that particular plugin. If we are activating plugin for non-production environments, so what are the non-production environments? Developer environment and testing environment, sandbox, UAT, and so on. Okay, for these we don't require any subscription. Wait, I hope it is still activating. So actually I activated discovery plugin. So it will take time. Okay, it will take time.
Anji garu, in real time also it will take this much time to reload and activating plugins.
No, you can see in the real time, we don't have this developer account. Okay.
Okay.
So directly you will work with ServiceNow instance. Okay. If you want plugin, you will request a company to activate it after taking subscription of that plugin. Okay.
Yes.
So
okay.
then they will activate the plugin, or they will guide us how to activate a plugin in our ServiceNow instance. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes. Yes, here activation of plugin is taking some time. So we have to go for the another properties. And meanwhile, you can see, yes, here we have created a ServiceNow instance and we have logged into the ServiceNow instance successfully. Now I want to change password for the ServiceNow instance. I want to change password for the ServiceNow instance. How to change a password? Now you can come here. You can click on profile here from the personal developer ServiceNow instance. Then after you can click on profile. Yes, it's loading. It will open a profile. So you can see you have to click on change password. Here you have to enter a old password. What is old password? So it is automatically generated password actually. Okay. It will be available with manage instance password and it is not editable actually. Okay. So we have to wait for some time. So otherwise I will go to my portal. Yes, you already seen how to activate a plugin, right? Yes. For next options, we will go for my account. So you can see here any ServiceNow instances available. We'll check. ServiceNow instance 03. Sign. First of all, we'll check whether the ServiceNow instance available or not still. No, still waiting. It is in waiting list. That's fine. Maybe I'm going to the another account. For showing the another options. Okay. Again, I'm clicking on sign in. 2018 at the rate of gmail.com. Where it is. Yes. Next. So administrate our sign. Okay, guys. Now we came to developer account again. Now we came to developer account again. Okay. So if we click on the profile, so we already seen what is the option of activate plugin. Next, I'm going to the manage email properties. Manage email properties. If you click on manage email properties, you can enable or you can disable the email properties. Okay. So for example, here you can see we may enable email sending and receiving enabled. If you don't want to send or receive emails from this Servicenow instance, you can disable it. Okay. Yes, I'm keeping as default. Next, release instance. Release instance. For example, yes, here we have our Servicenow instance. Here we have our Servicenow instance. My instance URL is this one, 59207. Okay. So for example, if you don't want this Servicenow instance, if you don't want this Servicenow instance, so from here you can release your Servicenow instance. Okay, you can release your Servicenow instance. So you can say I'm click logging into the Servicenow instance here, and so you can see here we have to select the options. I'm no longer using my instance, other reasons, whatever it may be. Okay, you have to select. You can click on release instance. It will release it will remove the Servicenow instance from your developer account. Got it, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, it will remove the Servicenow instance from your developer portal. And again, if you want to create a Servicenow instance, again here request instance button will appear. You can click on that button, and again same procedure. Next, change user role. So App Engine, Studio Creator role, and admin role. So for as a developer, we always require admin role. As a developer, we always require admin role. We have to keep admin role here. Sometimes a few of the students come up with, I'm not able to see anything here from the Servicenow instance, as like your Servicenow instance like that will come. So at that time, we have to check for the user role. So whether you have selected admin role or not. Okay. Next, remove demo data. Remove demo data. For example, whenever you take Servicenow instance, along with the Servicenow instance, you will get some demo data. You will get some demo data. Whenever you take Servicenow instance from the developer portal, you will get some demo data with that Servicenow instance. If you don't want that demo data, you can click on remove demo data. Okay, yes. Whatever the demo data come up with Servicenow instance, it will remove the data. Okay. Okay, guys. Next, manage instance password. Manage instance password. Here you can see this particular Servicenow instance user ID and password should be this one. Admin password should be this one. If you want to change the password, yes, you can change it from here. You can see you can reset instance password. For example, you can see password starts with mo/9c, something like this. Now I don't want this password. I want to change the password. You can click on the reset instance password. Okay. If you want to send your Servicenow instance credentials to somebody, you can click on email yourself a copy. Then you will get a email. After that, you can forward the credentials to your friends or colleagues if it is required. Okay. Now I'm trying to reset the password. I'm clicking on reset instance password. So you can see my Servicenow instance password should be resetting. Okay, this Servicenow instance password should be resetting. Wait, it will take 1 or 2 minutes time. Okay, you can see password changed or not. You can see, guys. Previously, it is like mo/9 something like that. Now it is changed. Yes or no?
So we can change the password as we wanted.
Yes, you can change the password of ServiceNow instance from the developer portal. Okay,
Okay.
got it, everybody. Next, reset and wipe instance. Next option is reset and wipe instance. For example, I have used this ServiceNow instance for my previous batch students. Okay, 1 minute. We just now we changed the password, right? So that's why it is logged out. Again, it is showing. 1 minute. I will try to log in again. First of all, copy password, login. No thanks. So you can say again, I am logging into ServiceNow instance. Next option is reset and wipe instance. Reset and wipe instance. So you can see. So my ServiceNow instance should be looks like this. Okay. So I used this ServiceNow instance for my previous batch. I created many applications here. Okay. For example, I created something like where is all. Yes, we have some custom application. So if we see all these applications, it will not available because of these applications created by me. Okay. Yes, maybe HR data something I have created. I remember. Yes, HR data like this. These all are I have created. Even this dashboard I have created, ServiceNow data. Okay. So for example, I don't want whatever the customizations I did previously, I don't want those customizations. Okay. So then you can come to developer portal. You can click on reset and wipe instance. Yes, you can click on reset and wipe instance. It will ask for the some options. You can see a instance reset request has been submitted and the instance may not be available temporarily. You will receive an email when the instance is back up. Okay, got it, everybody? Yes or no?
So just a quick question,
Yes.
Anji.
Yes.
Can you open the other tab, the ServiceNow data, which I showed the before?
Okay.
Yeah. So in here, all the tabs, all favorite sister and workspace, the tabs up there.
Yes.
And is it by default or you have done that? Because in my one, I can't see any one. It just says hi system. How do you want to get started? That's it.
Yes, I will tell you how to configure. So basically, these all are default one only. Okay, default one
Okay.
only. So actually, in next class we will go with the user interface.
Okay. Under the search
So
filter also.
yes. Actually, today itself I have to explain user interface. I feel that before explaining user interface, if I explain developer options, that is better. So that's why in today class, I'm explaining developer portal options and I will also explain the change password option. Okay. Got it. In tomorrow section, we will see all these basic configurations, user interface and all. So here you can see my instance is resetting my instance. Okay. Next. Guys, if anybody have ServiceNow instance with the Tokyo or San Diego or Rome version, so because I want to explain how to upgrade a ServiceNow instance. Next one is upgrade ServiceNow instance. For example, if you are working with the older version of ServiceNow instances, it may be Rome, it may be San Diego, it may be Tokyo. Okay. If you want to upgrade your ServiceNow instance to latest version, okay, you have to come here, upgrade instance. If anybody have
Can I share
service,
it?
yeah, you can share your instance credentials, developer portal credentials. So I will explain how to upgrade. Okay, it's simple. It's just one click. Okay.
I'm
Like
not
that.
sure if it's Tokyo or some other stuff.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
definitely
We'll
not
check.
Utah.
Yeah, we'll check. I'm signing out from the Servicenow instance. My instance is resetting my instance. Okay. So maybe tomorrow it will available. It will take some time, 2 to 3 hours for resetting, and even for upgrading Servicenow instance will take some time. Is it okay? Maybe your instance contains your personal password.
It's okay. I could change it later.
Yeah, okay, fine.
As long as you don't share with anyone.
Maybe after some time you can change your instance password. Okay,
Okay.
sign in. So you can we are logging into the Servicenow instance. You remember your Servicenow instance ID?
Yes, I'm just gonna.
Yes, tell me.
It's in a mail, but I got to check. Just give me a sec, please.
Oh, meanwhile, the Servicenow instance will wake up. I'm planning to show instance hibernating screen. Maybe in tomorrow session I will show. Okay.
So I got the password and stuff if you want. I mean,
No. So basically what I'm planning to show, so whenever your instance is going to sleep mode, it will show whenever you open your this kind of URL, it will show
Mhm.
your instance is hibernating. I'm planning to show that thing. It's okay,
Okay.
fine. I already logging into developer account, and your instance is waking up. Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Next. Your Servicenow instance is in Tokyo only. Okay. Yes. Here not required to upgrade anything. Okay, guys. Yes. Again, I'm going to sign into yesterday's developer account. Okay. Yes, this one right. Maybe plugin was activated. We can go for the another options here. Sign in. So you can see, guys, here I'm explaining in multiple accounts because of for us it's not possible to explain each and every option with one single instance. Okay. Oh, still plugin is activation in progress. Maybe it will take time. Okay. Here I hope I have explained almost all the options. Okay. So I have to explain only change password option. I have to explain only the change password option. Maybe that I will explain again with the Vamsi's instance. Okay. Because of for his instance, we have password. I'm closing all the tabs. Wait. Signing. Yes. So for example, you can see manage instance password. You already seen how to change a password from developer portal. Okay. You've already seen how to change a password from the developer portal. Now I'm going to change a password from the Servicenow instance. Okay. Yes. Password is same, this one. Vamsi.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's
so
the same one.
and one more thing you can see here, your username is saying aes.creator. That means maybe your role should be App Engine Studio Creator. As a Servicenow developer, you have to select role is admin role. Got it?
Okay, cool.
Yes, now I'm changing the role. Change user role. Yes, you change user role. Yes, previously you said one mode, right? When I log into Servicenow instance, it is showing hi, welcome, something it is showing,
Yeah,
right?
that's yeah.
It is because of you opted for App Engine Studio role here. Okay. Now it
Um,
will not show like that.
This is the one mail previously I've done, but the other mail with same version, but Utah version, and I've
Yes.
opted the admin role, not
Yeah.
the app
Okay.
install, but still showing the same. I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's okay, fine, no problem. So here you can see, now again, I'm going to the instance password. I will try to log in with this password, first of all, copy, login. No, you have changed your instance credentials. Maybe I'm resetting password first of all from here. After that, I will show you how to reset a password from the Servicenow instance.
Okay.
Yes, your instance password got changed. Now I'm from here, admin, username is admin. I'm logging. And what? So once you log in into Servicenow instance, we have to change a Servicenow instance password. Okay. I'm going to use a profile. So I'm closing this. Change password. Here we have change password. You can click on change password. Okay. So here you have to enter a old password. Yes, I'm entering it. So here you have to enter a new password. TRA. So I'm giving by default training at the rate of 103. Okay. And you have to click on the change password. So you can say again, I'm showing path. So you have to click on this profile. Once you click on this image, you will get profile link. You have to click on this profile link. Once you click on profile link, here we have change password. Okay, you can click on the change password. Then it will ask for old password and new password. So in old password, I'm copy pasting the password from here. Okay, and in new password, I'm entering my own password. Here I have given password training at the rate of 123. Okay, I'm clicking on change password. Yes, it might take few minutes. It will take some time, guys, for changing the password. Yes, you have successfully changed the password. Okay, you have successfully changed the password. This is the way to change the password from personal developer instance. Now I'm logging out. And I will log in again. Okay, with the training at the rate of 123, my new password. Then click on login. Yes, it is successfully logged in. Everybody got it. If you want to change the password, you have to click on this picture. After that, you have to click on profile. So once you click on the profile, you have to click on the change password. You have to click on the change password. Okay. Yes. When you click on the change password, it will ask for old password, new password, and the retype password. Then you can click on change password. It will submit a password. Okay, got it. If you have any queries up to here, any queries here?
No.
Okay, fine. Next, there is another way of changing password. I'm clicking on this logo. Again, it will go into the home page. Now, here you can click on all. Here you can click on all. Okay, you can type user. You can type user. You can scroll down. Under user administration, we have users. You can click on user. You can type users here. You can click on all. After that, you can type users. Under user administration, we have users. You can open these users. So you can see while clicking on any link here, I'm clicking the control plus, I'm doing control plus clicking on that links. That's why it is opening another window. Okay. Otherwise, all the links will open in the same window. So here you are planning to change the password for admin. You can come up with admin user here, admin. Okay. Yes. So here we have gear icon. You can come to the gear icon. You can bring password field here. Maybe it is, we can say it is complicated as of now. Maybe if you go to the further classes, it is easy process. Okay. Next, I'm clicking on OK. Here we have password field. You can double click on this password field, then it is editable. Okay. You can enter your own password here. Okay. You can save it. Okay. We have successfully changed the password from here also. Okay. So up to here, you have any queries, please let me know. No queries.
No, Anji.
Okay. Next. I'm signing out from the developer account. I'm closing it. I'm closing this one also. Now you can see, guys. So those are the options for developer account, and we have seen how to change the password. Okay. Now we are entering into personal developer instance. Now we are entering into personal developer instance. So in tomorrow class, we will discuss about user interface. Okay. In today class, we will discuss basic things of user interface. Okay. So here you can see, guys, whenever you took Servicenow instance, you have to change the few options. You have to change the few options. Okay. We can say those are the basic configurations. You can say those are the basic configurations. Whenever we are taking Servicenow instance, we have to do some basic configurations here. Now I'm going to all. You can type configuration. Configuration. You can say basic configuration. You can type basic configuration. Wait. So you can see under system properties, we have basic configuration UI16. Under system properties, we have basic configuration UI16. Wait. Under system. We have basic configuration UI16. Okay. Yeah. You can navigate to here. Yes. I'm clicking on basic configuration UI16. So you can see now I haven't touched the control keyword. That's why it is open in the same window. Okay. Yes. Here you can see. Here we have Servicenow logo. Here we have
Hello.
time zone.
Yeah.
Yes, tell me.
Excuse me, Anji. I have a doubt. Like, what's the difference between UI 15 and 16?
Yeah. So basically, UI15 is older user interface. UI16 is the latest user interface. Okay. So I will show you how UI15 looks like. Okay, maybe after this basic configuration, we will get that one. Okay. That's a user interface. User interface means look and feel, you can say. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Okay, fine. So you can see, for example, this ServiceNow instance name header, the ServiceNow instance header should be service management. If you want to change this service instance header, you can change here. Generally, every organization will keep their organization name. Every organization will keep their organization name. For example, here I am saying ServiceNow Training. Okay, yes. Browser tab title. Browser tab title. Here it is showing something like ServiceNow configuration, ServiceNow, right? Here in the tab title, if you want to display something, you have to give the browser tab title. What we can give? So maybe I'm giving something like world. Okay, I'm giving something like this for our understanding purpose. Okay, browser tab title I'm giving world. So header caption, instance header caption I'm giving ServiceNow Training. Okay, yes. First of all, I will save these two options. Save. Yes, it is saved successfully. Okay. Now you can navigate to anywhere. You can open something, anything. You can open some. No, not this. So maybe 1 minute. I will try to open something inside. And you can see. So you can see what it is appearing. Browser tab title is appearing or not? Yes, appearing. Okay. Okay, guys. So basically, this ServiceNow training should be appear here. 1 minute. If I go to the home page, here this is a browser tab title, and I will show you where the ServiceNow training will appear. Okay. Maybe in tomorrow section we will get this option. Okay. So we are using with the Tokyo release, we are using next experience from the UI 16 user interface. We are using next experience. We are calling it as Polaris experience. If it is a Polaris experience, it is hidden. It will not appear. So if we are out from Polaris experience, this option will show. We will show you in the next class. Next, if we scroll down, so our time zone is IST. Our time zone is IST. But here, what's the time zone? Default time zone, Americas. So here you can see, here is our time zone available. Tell me guys, is our time zone available? IST time zone? Yes or no?
No.
Our time zone is not available. You can click on configure available time zone. You can click on configure available time zone. Okay, yes, I have clicked on available time zones. Now you can check for IST time zone. So based upon your time zone, you can select. So here you can see, here we have IST. I'm bringing this IST time zone to selected/bucket, selected/bucket, save it. Okay, I have successfully changed. And so you can see once we submitted, it is redirected to the previous page. Okay, it is redirected to the previous page. I'm closing all the tabs. Again, I will open basic configuration. Okay. Configuration basic. So that's now the time zone IST available here. You can select IST time zone if you are in IST. Yes, I'm saying. Now I want to change a logo. Here we have ServiceNow logo. Once we took ServiceNow instance as per our company rules, so we'll keep our company logo. For example, here I'm planning to do some sample image. I will go to the downloads and I will check for some sample images previously downloaded. Maybe I'm going to select this one. free sample. Okay. Yes. Wait, it took some time. So you can see image got changed and you can save. Now you can come and refresh here once. The logo will change as per our modifications. It's loading. Wait. Okay, guys. Is logo changed or not? Yes, logo was changed.
Just a quick
And-
question, Anji.
Yes,
Instead of it was ServiceNow before, right?
yes.
Instead of the letters, can we also write the letters?
So here you can see. Here we have written some letters, right? Whenever we hover here, it will appear. Okay. Service
Oh,
node.
Okay.
And so in the previous versions, this ServiceNow training here will appear after logo. Okay. So we have to enter their image only. We will not enter any letters. Okay. So if you keep any heading here, it will appear like this whenever we hover on the logo. Okay, got it? Yes.
Yeah, got it.
And
So we
this
can-
and this header. So here we are seeing ServiceNow training, right? From the previous versions, it is beside the logo. Maybe in tomorrow section we will see that one. Okay. In tomorrow session we will see that one. Next. Here we have different date format. As per your wish, you can select your default date format. I'm keeping default one only. Here time in 24 hours. As per your requirement or as per your organizational requirements, you can keep time format. Okay. So these are remaining all are theme colors. If you don't want any color, you can change. Mostly nobody will touch this theme colors. Nobody will touch these theme colors. Okay, nobody will not change these theme colors. And here it is our theme. We are using the latest theme, La Jolla. Okay, this is the latest theme. Okay, theme also nobody will change. Okay, so and these colors, once you take, so every organization contains their own theme, right? If it is a Cognizant, it should be in some blue color. If it is a TCS, it should be in different color. If it is a Infosys, it is in some sky blue color, right? Every organization has their own theme. Yes or no? Yes, as per their organizational theme, they will change all these colors. But from our developer side, nobody will change. Okay. Got it, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So these are the basic configurations UI 16. Basic configurations UI 16. And after we have to go for email properties. You can type email properties here. Yes, under system properties, we have email properties. Under system property, I'm closing all the tabs mostly. Under system properties, we have email properties. I will note down. We have email property. Okay, yes. So whenever you took ServiceNow instance, so you've already seen enable sending and receiving email notification from the developer portal side. Yes or no? Got it? You've already seen, right? You remember that those options?
Yes, I remember.
Okay. Still, you have enabled sending and receiving enabled from the developer portal. You have to enable here also in the personal developer instance. Okay, got it? So you can see email sending enabled, email receiving enabled. If we enable email sending and receiving in your personal developer instances, so every user in the Servicenow instance will get the email notifications when some record action is happened, something is happened against the record. Okay, so if anybody sending email notification to the Servicenow instance, it will receive. Okay, if we enable sending and receiving. Got it, everybody? Next, here you can see send all email to this test email address. For it is for non-production testing, non-production environments. For example, if it is a production environment, it's okay, like sending email notifications or receiving email notifications. But for non-production environments, like developer account or testing environment, we don't require to send any email notifications to users, or we don't require to receive any email notification from the users. Okay, so here we have to keep some dummy email address. Here you have to keep some dummy email address for non-production environments. We can say developer environment and testing environments. Got it? So if we keep some dummy email address here, all the notifications sending will go to this dummy email address. Got it, everybody? All the email notifications are going to this, going to the user or came to this dummy email address. Got it, everybody? This one. So for example, I'm saying something like this, anji@gmail.com. Okay. If I save, no notification will go to the user from the Servicenow instance. Okay. Whatever the notifications are planning to go for the users from the Servicenow instance, all notifications will go to this email address only. Got it, everybody? Yes. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, guys. So please, whenever.
Yes, for prod environment, okay, no need to mention any email address here, right?
Yes, for production environment, we don't require to mention any email address. For the
Okay, only for lower environments.
lower environments, yes, only for lower environments, we have to mention dummy email address. And one more thing is, these all are the basic configurations. Before you joining into a organization or project, all these configurations is already done by somebody. You don't require to touch again and again. Got it?
Okay.
And you are working in one organization and they don't have Servicenow instance. They have given some trainings and that organization opted for the Servicenow instance. Okay, so you are only the person in that organization knows about the Servicenow. Then only you have to do all these things. Okay, otherwise don't require. Because of before you joining into the project, it's already, maybe they are already using Servicenow instance long and long. Okay, and they already configured all these things. Got it? But you have to know all these options in the Servicenow instance. Okay. Yes. Okay. Here for this instance, we don't require this dummy email address and removing. This is about sending. If we come to the receiving section, yes. For example, Vamsi sent one email to the Servicenow instance. For example, Vamsi sent one email to the Servicenow instance. How to recognize that mail by the ServiceNow instance, whether it is new email or it is a reply email or it is a forward email. Here you can see, here they have mentioned some keywords, RE colon, AW colon, R colon, accepted colon, tentative colon, declined. So if the email contains these prefixes in the subject, email contains these prefixes in the subject, it will treat as it is a reply email. It will treat as it is a reply email. As per your organizational requirements, if we want to add extra keywords here, yes, we can add it. Okay, next. So if the email subject contains FW colon, FWD colon, okay, it will treat as it is a forward email. Got it? Yes or no? Okay, fine. So these are the email properties. These are the email properties. Okay, yes. And so I'm saying we can able to send emails to the ServiceNow instance. Okay, we can able to send emails from the ServiceNow instance to users. If we want to send emails to users, or if you want to receive email, we require email address, right? Yes or no? We require email addresses. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
Sanjay.
we require. Without email address, how we can send emails and how we can receive the emails? Okay. Yes, we require email address. We can check for that. Where you have to see this personal developer instance mail address. So basically for that we have issue actually. So when I see those email properties last time, we have some personal developer instance problem already exist. We can see with the ServiceNow instance, we have same problem or not. So you can type email accounts. You can type email accounts. Okay. Under system mailboxes, under administration, we have email accounts. We can open it. Actually, here we require 2 records, but it is not there. This is a personal developer instance problem. Okay. So one is with a SMTP, one is with POP3. We require 2 records here. Okay, but it is not available. That is a personal developer instance problem. I will try to bring these 2 records from my developer instances. Okay, for the next class, I will try for that. I will not give surety whether it will work out or not. Okay, so in the real time, we will not get this kind of issues. In the real time, we will not get this kind of issues. Okay, guys, got it, everybody? From here, we can able to see your email address, but here records are not present. It is a personal developer instance problem. So under system mailboxes, I will write the navigation. The system mailboxes. We have administration. Under administration, we have email accounts. Okay, I'm saving it. I will try to bring these 2 records for next class. It's not sure. If it's possible, I will try to bring these 2 records. Okay, otherwise, it's okay, no problem. For the real time, we will not get this kind of issues. Even in real time, guys. So for example, if we are working with ServiceNow as a developer, still sometimes we will get this kind of problems, personal developer instance problems sometimes. So at that time, we will create a ticket for ServiceNow company. They will resolve our issue if the really issue is from their end. Got it, everybody? Yes. For that, we have one portal, that is support.servicenow.com. Okay. If we are working in one organization, if that organization opted for ServiceNow instance, then only we will get the credentials of that website. Okay, yes. And I'm planning to stop today class here. In tomorrow section, we'll go with user interface. Okay, if still it is required, I will try to explain ServiceNow instance creation tomorrow also, if still it is required. Okay, otherwise directly go to the user interface. And still I haven't received details from you guys. So if anybody not forwarded your details, so please forward your name, email, mobile, next qualification, next, how do you know about these trainings? Okay, to my mail ID, Servicenow, TRAINING 2018 @gmail.com. Okay, you have to send your details for this email address. So I have seen few of them not forwarded your details. If anybody not forwarded, so please forward your details so that I will try to send everyday class notes, everyday recorded videos, and class, any Word documents for the class I will send. Okay, I have shared it in the Zoom chat. Okay,
So are we having a class tomorrow?
yeah, tomorrow is Sunday. We don't
So-
have class. Okay.
Okay,
And even we don't have classes on the festival days.
okay,
So actually today also we don't have class, but yesterday I forgot to inform you in the class. That's why I was taking the class, okay, for today.
okay. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you for that.
Yeah, on festival days also we don't have class actually. And guys, so we have completed 3 sections as of now. Okay.